To crush garlic with a knife. Break a clove off of the bulb and trim off the flat root end with a sharp knife. Lay the clove down on a cutting board, then set the flat side of a broad knife blade on top of the clove, with the sharp edge of the blade facing away from you. Push down on the flat surface of the blade with your hand, using a rocking motion. Keep going until the clove is thoroughly crushed. Then peel the skin off of the crushed clove with your fingers. Finish up by chopping, slicing, or mincing the garlic. You can also keep crushing it with the flat side of the blade to create a paste. If you prefer, you can also crush garlic with a garlic press. Trim and peel the clove, then place it inside the press. Grab both handles of the press and squeeze them together hard to crush the garlic inside. Most garlic presses work by squeezing the garlic out through small holes as a paste. So hold the press over a container, such as a small bowl, to catch the garlic as it comes out. If you don't have a garlic press or a broad knife on hand, you can also crush garlic with a stone in a pinch. Find a smooth stone that's about the same size as the palm of your hand and wash it thoroughly with dish soap and water. Then, trim the root end of a garlic clove and wrap the clove in a piece of wax paper. Set the wrapped clove on a cutting board or other flat surface and strike it with the stone to loosen the skin. Be careful not to hit your fingers. Peel away the garlic skin, then wrap the peeled clove in the wax paper again. Keep hitting and grinding the clove with the stone until it is thoroughly crushed. You can also push the stone down on top of the clove and wiggle it back and forth to mash the clove and release the fragrant juices inside the garlic.